Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video I will show you exactly how to watch FIFA World Cup 2026 on a projector, which app you should use, how to connect your devices and how to avoid buffering during live matches. Instead of watching on a small phone screen, you can enjoy every goal, every celebration on a massive display that feel almost like a stadium. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have a projector, you have an Android phone or laptop, you need to have a Wi-Fi connection, you need to have a HDMI cable. This is optional. If your projector support wireless connection, you don't need to have HDMI cable. And main thing, official FIFA streaming app. Now the app depends on your country. If you are in India, if you are watching this video from India, in India the official broadcaster is Z5, or you can visit the Z5 website to watch the live FIFA World Cup matches. Many modern projector include Android TV. If your projector has Android TV, so on your projector you need to open the Play Store, App Store, anything in the store. You need to search Z5 application. That's it. Okay, now download and install this application and log in with your account. So if you don't have the subscription of the Z5, first you need to purchase the subscription of the Z5 and then open this application and go to FIFA World Cup page. If the live matches is going here, you can start the FIFA World Cup live matches from here. This is actually the simplest method because no phone or laptop connection is required if your projector is support modern Android TV. Now what to do if your projector does not have Android TV, any kind of Play Store, App Store? At that time guys, now you can try this method. Now you can use your Android smartphone. On your phone, open the Play Store and search the Z5 application, install the application, sign into your account, open the FIFA World Cup page. Same thing, if you don't have the subscription, first you need to purchase this subscription. So I have already make a dedicated video which subscription is best for your FIFA World Cup matches. If you don't watch that video, I will give the link in my I button. Just click and watch this. Okay, after purchasing the subscription, go to FIFA World Cup page and then here you can get the list of the matches. From here you can easily able to watch the matches. Now you can share your Android phone screen to your projector. Depending on your projector, open the screencast or screen mirroring wireless display in your projector. If you have this option, just open it. On your Android phone, open the settings, okay, or you can open the notification panel and here you can get the connected devices option, or you can get the cast option, or you can get the screen mirroring option. You need to connect your Android phone and projector with the same Wi-Fi network and then select the screen mirroring option from the Android phone. Just tap on it and select your projector from the list and then wait few seconds. Your phone screen should now appear on your projector. Open the live match. Now the football match will play on a projector screen, as you can see guys. Okay, now if you don't have Android phone, if you want to connect your laptop to a projector to watch the FIFA World Cup live matches, so you can visit the official website of the Z5. Open any web browser on your laptop. In the Google, you need to search Z5, open it and log in with your account. Log in with your account. On that you have purchased this subscription plan and go to FIFA World Cup page and select the live matches. Now you need to mirror your laptop screen to your projector. To do this guys, hold Windows key button and then press P from your laptop keyboard. It will open the project cast page. As you can see guys, from here you need to choose duplicate. This show the same screen on the both devices. Also you can use the wireless display option on your laptop. Press start button and here you need to search wireless display or connect display. Just open this application. From here you can easily able to cast your laptop screen to your projector. One more thing guys, your laptop and projector should also connected with the same Wi-Fi network. One more thing guys, if the projector support HDMI cable, so just connect HDMI cable from laptop to projector. Now you can easily able to mirror your laptop screen to your projector easily and very safely. Okay, if the wireless connection is creating issue, you need to use the HDMI cable. This is very nice thing guys. If you have modern projector include Android TV, you don't need to do any extra hard work. Just simply install the Z5 and watch your live FIFA World Cup matches. That's it. So I have already make some other video on FIFA World Cup matches. You can get that all topic to watch the FIFA World Cup matches. You can get all video link in my video description or I button. Click and watch. After completely set up, turn off your room lights, use external speakers, sit at the correct viewing distance, invite family and friends. A projector can make FIFA World Cup feel much more immersive than watching on small screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification. Thank you.